Another thing you can do is grab a strap and you can do a little bit of form
Wow. What is going on, people? So yes, I'm officially here inside the new Rushcliffe Arena gym. Just been in the gym, done a little vlog on it. It is massive and it is absolutely amazing. I love it. Trust me, when I first entered the building, I was like, wow, this is absolutely massive. And it's an absolutely massive walk from the reception to the bottom, all the way up to the gym. Trust me. But yes, a massive shout out to Rushcliffe Arena, to the people that built this beautiful leisure centre. And a shout out to all the staff that work here as well. Absolute amazing, polite, got a brilliant first impression. So yes, can't wait to come back next week and start officially properly back in the gym. Because today wasn't really my official start back in the gym. It was just basically come, check it out, you know, have a little go on the machines, see how they work, get used to them. And then come back next week and we'll go properly. Starting with leg day, then upper body day, then, you know, as it goes, etc. But yeah, it's a great place, massive centre, beautiful. And I'm looking forward to using it for the whole of 2017. But for now, peace out. I hope you all have an amazing day. I hope you've all had a great week. Hope you all have a great weekend. Peace out. Take it easy.
How do you play it?
You just basically take the small balls
Yes.
and then roll them from one end to the other end. Yeah? Can you see that? You roll them from one end to the other end.
But how do you get points?
You get points for the distance and how many balls you strike. So it's a pretty boring
That's
game.
good.
Yeah, it's
It's alright. Yeah. You alright, mate?
You good?
Yeah, not bad, sir. You have a good Christmas.
It's good.
Yeah, it's brilliant, yeah.
That is better than.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's a big walk round to the gym, you know, got to go all the way up there,
Oh, no, I've
upstairs.
once.
Yeah.
Good, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, how about you?
Yeah, good.
Good man.
Good.
Did you play on Monday?
Yeah. Yeah, beat Arnold.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
good.
it's good. Yeah, it's going right at the minute. How about
That's
you?
good.
Playing?
We haven't played yet, we play against Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Hopefully a win.
Yeah. Who you got?
We've got, who is it? Selston.
Oh, they're not bad, are they?
They're alright. They've dropped down the table a bit. They was top.
Right.
But,
Oh, well, right, mate, wasn't it?
yeah. Hopefully a win. Push up a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Do well. I'll have a look out for
Cheers.
you, mate.
I'll see you in a bit. Yo guys, so yes, I thought I'd go around the arena a bit more and vlog a bit more of what it's got inside it for you. So yes, it's got a lot of rooms, a lot of activities, a lot of fun, cool things to do for people. So if you're local around the area or want a gym to go to, I recommend it to you because it is absolutely brilliant. Loads of fun stuff, cool areas, loads of fun. Trust me, you will love it. You'll have loads of fun. It's got quality pools. It's got a pool table in one of the rooms in the reception. It's got some fun games. It's got a nice huge gym. Man, they've done a good job on it. Done a brilliant job. And trust me, the staff are awesome. So be polite when you're going, you know. Talk, get to know the things, ask around. And you should be alright. But yeah, for now, take care and stay safe. Hope you have a great weekend.